Yo, it's my strategy, y'all. I'm finna explain it, break it down quick as I can. I really talk a lot, like when I'm explaining shit, but I'm about to explain something. My strategy, really simply, it's really only three things that I look for. Previous day low and high, EQ, aka premium and discount, the premium and discount range. I would rather put that. Yeah, all right, so we're gonna change that. And a higher time frame PD rate, and you gotta have a bias. Honestly, bias should really be number one. All right. So really all my strat consists of is literally all these things. I'm about to explain it though, alright? This is what an A plus setup looks like on the chart. If this setup performs and it looks just like this, promise me it's gonna hit TP, right? This is a 300 plus point example, I believe. But I'm finna break it down, right? So you need to get your Fibonacci retracement. Here are my settings. Double click that. You're on PC. If you're not, I forgot how to do it on phone. But you're gonna disable all of these, enable these, and have these numbers right here. Take a screenshot. I'll leave it on the screen for a few seconds. Also, y'all, I'm in a trade right now on go up. We finna see my shit hit TP1. TP2 is all the way down here, but I'm fine with TP1 just hitting. I put more cons in TP1 and TP2. But showing y'all that this strat does work. Um, Recording this 5/27, 2026, 9:08 p.m. This setup performed Wednesday, 13th of May, right? So what do? We come to the daily, right? So as we see, right, we clearly are in a daily fair value gap, right? And we see that we closed above the daily fair value gap EQ, or the consequent encroachment. So we closed up here. If we closed down here, I would have been less confident in this trade, but the fact that we closed up here, I loved. Not only that, we had sellers come all the way down here and buyers push it all the way back up, right? Going into the next day. So I love that. So going into market, I'm looking at this trade, right? I'm picking out what I'm gonna do. Targeting longs, because we're already in a daily fair value gap. And we're at all-time highs at this time right here. So I mean the draw is pretty obvious, right? So what do? We mark off our EQ. Shit, I ain't do that. I'm so sorry. Mark off our EQ of that day. Go to the 1 hour. This is where you get your higher time frame PD array. So we already marked off previous day low and high, which is right here, which is the high, this is the low. This is the premium discount range right here. You don't know what premium discount is. Discount is where we buy low, which would be this zone, and premium would be this zone right here above EQ. So premium up here, discount down here, right? So knowing that, I wait for us to hit below the EQ, right? Because I'm targeting buy. So if I'm buying low, I'm targeting higher, right? So I mark off my higher time frame PD array, which I usually go for 1 hour inverse for value gaps. I fucking love them when they perform. Going into the next day, I fucking love them. I love when they're closer. Like I hate when market is above and the higher time frame PD arrays are so far from so far from where we're at. I fucking hate it because Asia moves slow as shit on NQ, but this performed pretty A plus. I'm not gonna fucking lie. So what I did, these are my areas of interest, right? This one and this one. I didn't want any closure below this one, right? What I really wanted, or what I would have allowed, right, was a wick to form, or on the hourly, a wick to form, wick down into here, and close back above this middle part of this 1 hour fair value gap, right? Remove this now. So knowing that these are my areas of interest, I'm looking to long off of these areas, right? So this area, I would love to get hit first because obviously I told you I want to close above the middle point of this fair value gap. So let's just say we were targeting the previous day high, right? And we wanted to get in right here and we put our stop below the fair value gap. Automatically, you're already getting 382 points, right? But you really could have targeted higher because we're all-time highs. But just to be on the safe side, you want to target previous day highs and lows. Don't go for too much. Don't be greedy as fuck. 300 fucking points is so fucking much. 200 points is so fucking much, bro. I'm not gonna fucking lie. Easily so much. So, knowing that, what do we do? And not only that, if you were to come down here, you would have even had a higher RR. You would have had a 7 RR. Right? So not only that, you could have entered right here and you would have got a 2 RR. But be on the safe side, we like high RRs right here, right? So what do? Come right here, we put our buy. And knowing that we have our previous day low and high marked out, our premium and discount range, we're getting in at a discount. We're waiting for price to come below the EQ, which is this black line. We're waiting for price to come below, tap into this, and reject higher. All right, buyers, we want buyers to step in at this range, not this range, because this is too high. So knowing that, come higher. I mean, we wait for price to hit this area, we get in a buy, and we target higher. Sorry, I don't know why my voice is like speaking. So we hit that automatically. How many points we up right now? 150 with 3 fucking thousand, gang. Let's just say we were targeting harder. Higher. TP got edge. You would have been up 6 bands, right? But clearly it didn't hit TP. Let's just say you were targeting a 1 to 5 RR. You would have hit TP, right? Yeah. So let's say you would have hit TP right here. Bam. Let's just say you got out, you hit TP at the top of this, and then you see like price comes back down at market open. Oh, market open. Rejected back off of this. Didn't sweep liquidity of our previous entry. Oh shit. Fuck. Let me get another fucking buy. What the fuck? So what do? We buy. It would have been right here. And then what do? We target some more fucking bread and we target our original TP. Boom, just like that. Pretty simple fucking strat. I'm sorry, I'm fucking stuttering. My words are not, they're not spitting out right. But this is pretty much my strat. Only things I use is a EQ, premium and discount, and a higher time frame PDRA. 1 hour fair value got 1 hour, or sorry, a 1 hour IVG. 4 hour, I don't really know, cause the 4 hour fair value got to be pretty big, but I like the 1 hours more. So knowing that, that's my strat, y'all. And go fucking back test it if you want. I don't really give a fuck. Alright, y'all. I got a bearish example too. I just went ahead and like fuck it, I'm gonna do a bearish example as well. So as you see right here, we have our bias, right? We inverse this daily fair value gap, which turned it into a daily inverse fair value gap. So we wicked off of it, bounced, wicked off of it, came all the way back down, wicked out of it, stayed below it. Mind you, no bodies are closing into this range. And if you look at the higher time frame, we also came out of this fair value gap. So I mean, pretty much we're damn near bearish, right? So knowing that we're gonna mark off our EQ of this day. So also this trade was May 13th as well. I don't know how I got this trade in. I'm gonna keep it real, bro. It's so fucking choppy. But I mean, I don't know. This is like luck. I don't really know, but I guess the strat is just like that. But we're gonna come over here and we're gonna mark off. Oh, sorry, this trade was the 14th. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all, right? So we mark off our daily candle, which would be this, not this one. I'm already fucking up. Alright, so we marked off our candle and we already know we want to buy low and sell high. So if we're looking for a bearish bias, right, we don't really want to come up here. I mean, let's keep it real, like that shit's ass. Like, what type of fair value gap is this? Also, this is like, I don't really like that one. I don't really trust that one. Trust the IVGs, right? So we have our 1 hour IVG right here that we keep rejecting off of. Not only that, we have the daily fair value gap right here, or sorry, the hourly fair value gap right here from May 12th that has been rejected and rejected and rejected and rejected. It hasn't got no closures, wicks, right? So knowing that, I'm like, fuck it, let me fucking try this shit. So I mean, this game is all about trying, bro. You have to do something, right? So an educated guess would be that we go into the next day, and since there's not big of a range, I'm not targeting for much, but you know, what are we looking for? EQ, premium discount. We are looking for an entry above discount, which would be premium. So knowing that we have these two factors, this fair value gap or IVG, and we have this fair value gap right here. So either one of these are gonna get hit, right? So what did I do today? I targeted this. I don't know where I put my stop, but I think I put it like right here. Let me see. Okay, yeah, I seen. Okay, my stop was pretty much entry was 725. Or fuck, I don't know. Oh, sorry, my entry was 705. So okay, so I entered off the EQ of this range right here. The EQ would be right here. This 1 hour IVG, I entered off of that. As you see, every single candle is closing below this EQ, which is great. So what did I do? I entered off of this. My stop above the fair value gap. Well, on this example, I didn't do that. On this example, I didn't. But what did I do? Saw the rejection, came low, targeting this, and also you could have entered right here. As you see, like we really weren't showing much reaction back up. Like none of these candles were spiking up like this, right? It's a great sign they were gonna go down. So what do? We enter right here, target day previous day low. As you see, there's not big of a range, so I'm not really targeting no crazy points. I'm fine with 35 points, bro. I'm not gonna lie. The RR is 16. If you were to put it above the fair value gap, it'd be 3.7. But I mean, could have entered. I mean, yeah, pretty much it right there. And then you would have hit TP off of that, and just like that. Yeah, even though it's pretty much fucking choppy, I did hit this trade. I swear, everything my mom was like, my dad's. I'm not even lying. Hit this trade, but it's a bearish example, y'all. Um, it's pretty much the same as the bullish example, just pretty much fucking opposite. I'm just showing you setups that I took and shown and done, like, and took myself. So I'm gonna end it there. Go back, test the fucking strat, and let me know.